Hi, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Let's open the settings first. To do it, swipe left on the screen and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and select additional settings. Here tap on languages and input, then tap on languages. And right here we have list of languages. Find the one you like and tap on it to select it. For example, Deutsch. As you can see, the language changed. Now let's bring it back to English, like this. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.